Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your MSI Cyborg 15 A13v and Windows version so the right drivers apply. Once done, open MSI Center and install SteelSeries Engine or GG if not present. These control per key lighting. Make sure the laptop is on AC power and close competing RGB apps to avoid conflicts. Now launch the lighting module. This first step ensures the software can communicate with the keyboard firmware, which is why we prioritize updates and power before changing colors. Once inside the lighting tab, select the keyboard device so you edit the correct hardware. You can pick a preset or create a custom profile. Choose per key when you want granular colors or zone mode for simpler setups. Next, set hue, saturation, and brightness. Use lower brightness to save battery when unplugged. Make sure to set effect speed where applicable. This controls transitions. After adjustments, save the profile locally or sync to the cloud, so your changes persist across reboots and reinstalls. You now apply the profile and test the keyboard across apps and game modes to verify colors and macros behave as expected. If keys don't respond, reflash the keyboard firmware from MSI Center because mismatched firmware prevents color changes. Make sure to disable other RGB utilities. Conflict is a common cause. If problems persist, reinstall SteelSeries Engine and restart the system. That sequence resets software hooks. One quick troubleshooting tip: boot into Clean Startup and test to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.